Criticism of police for shoddy investigation or planting of evidence is not new to the Indian judicial system. In a recent judgment, the Delhi High Court has heavily criticized Delhi police and prosecution for conducting a terrible and unfair investigation with regard to the deaths of a child. In this case, a father and grandmother were accused of conducting the murder of a 2-year-old child. As per the prosecution case, the child felt dizzy and had fallen in the house, and there were 24 external injuries on the body. It was the case of the police that the child was on an empty stomach and also suffered a head injury from blunt force impact. On the basis of the evidence laid before the court by the police, the trial court came to the conclusion that the accused, the father and the grandmother, are not guilty of murder, but they are guilty under Juvenile Justice Act and convicted them for it. Against this order of the acquittal of murder charges, the prosecution filed an appeal in the Delhi High Court. The High Court found that the prosecution's case was suffering from inconsistencies, conflicting statements from the police officers, and even planted evidence to frame the father and the grandmother. The High Court has seriously criticized the way in which the investigation was conducted by the Delhi police, and finally, the High Court has acquitted accused of all charges and even awarded compensation to them of Rs 50,000.